And we're back, and I'm in the shop, and we have power. Yay, power! We have new fishes. We have all those fishes there. So we are going to do an unboxing video. Hurrah! Let's see what's inside. Okay, I got a little bit excited and I actually cut it open, but I haven't looked yet, promise. Uh-oh, that's not good. Oh no. They are just snails. So, nerite snails? Those are little tiny guys. Nerite snails. Wow. And we have a nerite snail fail. That should be the name of this video. Nerite snail fail. These ones turned up with no meat inside them, which is a total fail at $20 a snail. These ones have meat. I wonder what's in that one. We have ghost glass catfish. Maybe these are just the regular ones, not the see-through ones, but there should be the see-through ones as well. Very cool little fish. These are the poor man's glass catfish. So they're not the clear ones, but they're same shape, just a weird type of catty. I am going in that bag now. Well, there you go. There is a bag of noodles. So you have culiloches or culiloches. Little stripy guys. They seem okay. To get them out of this water. Okay, that's the culiloches in a tank. These guys are around $5.50 each, free for 15. Came in super healthy, nice and meaty, so lots of them available. We have tiger barbs. Not terribly exciting, but a cool fish. There might be a couple of bags of these in there. At least the tiger barbs are nice and meaty. They haven't coloured up yet, but they will. I can read that one. Egyptian mouth brooders. So people wanting Egyptian mouth brooders, they are now in. Looks like you can tell males and females already. I shall try not to stress them too much. So the Egyptian mouth brooders are a total fail. They came in too skinny to sell. Very skitterish. That's supposed to be a male, which has no colour. There's another one there. So yeah, about a week or two, maybe they'll be okay. But yeah, not for sale currently. Ooh, clown panchaks or clown killifish. They are cool little fish. And a good size, and no dead ones. Look at that male. Pretty little guys. Cool. Okay, the clown panchaks are pretty awesome. Super healthy, not skinny, well fed. Generally just nice, cool little fish. And they've started colouring up. There's two males there. Got males and females available. These guys work out around $10 each or so. We also got pygmy corridorus. There they are there. Heaps of them around at the moment. Same sort of price. Royal Whiptail Catfish. Big adult ones. They're in there somewhere. There they are. Very awesome fish. So unfortunately I only got 4 royal whiptails to see what they would look like, because they were a bit vague with the size of them. And since they have all actually sold, so we got them, but we don't have any available right now. There's another one up there. Spiny peacock eels. It's a shame they're not fire eels, but they're a lot cheaper than fire eels. Still very, very cool eels, and they're a decent size. Okay, that's about as good as we're going to get with the spiny eels. Super cool little guys. They are covered in sand because they love to cover in sand. They are super fat, these little ones. In there somewhere. Someone in there. There's one. So these guys are $30 each. Harlequin Respora, that one's not going well. May come good, let's hope he does. The other ones seem okay. That is the problem with getting fish, you don't know what's going to turn up okay and which ones aren't. Harlequin Respora. Okay, this is box number 2, that was box number 1, that's box number 3. Going to try it like this. Oh. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, we're just going to check what's in there and place them in there. So, audio suckers. There they are. So we have Borneo suckers. What are those?
Oh, I can. I'm having good.
Very loud child. Very skinny Egyptian mouth brooders. Bugger. Pygmy Corridorus. Dwarf Gouramis. Yes, they're nice. Cherry Barbs. Lovely cherry Barbs. Albino Corridorus. Oh. Very cool Whiptail Catfish. Ooh, that's a nice female. Whiptails, whiptails, whiptails. They almost look like adults. These guys don't get much bigger than that. So we have whiptails. Oh, I'm sure they're okay. Don't break my floor. That's a courier breaking my floor. We have Otto Catfish or Otto Cyclus and a broken floor. And more clown loach. Borneo suckers, very cool little fish. Prefer the water nice and cool, so you don't want them heated. Here are the Dwarf Gouramis. They are not bad either. So nice and meaty, healthy looking, nothing too mingy or anything in there. Nice mix of different colours, cobalt blues, your reds, your commons, whatever you want to call them. It's those guys. And the cherry barbs are kind of cool. You have males and females. They haven't coloured up yet, but you can tell which ones are which. These guys are $4.50 or 5 for $20. Very cool little guys. Albino Corridorus. Nice, healthy little fish. At least they're well fed. Okay, there's one of the common whiptails. Unfortunately, I only got 10 of them to see what they were like. And after checking messages, I'm pretty sure there's only 2 left. So we'll try and get some more soon. rummy nose have now coloured up. They are actually really nice this time. So nice and meaty. And yeah, not skinny or anything like that. They're the Otto Sinkless. They are actually also quite nice. So lots and lots of Ottos at the moment. There's one on the glass. We're up to box number 3 and we're borderline over it. What are they? Rummy nose with no rummy noses. Ghost rummy nose. They will get their little noses back. We have black neon tetras. More dwarf gouramis, blue ones. More rummy nose. Lots of rummy nose. Oh, didn't work this out, did I? More dwarf gouramis. They can go back in there. More dwarf gouramis. It's like all the dwarf gouramis in the world. And more dwarf gouramis. Actually the wrong dwarf gouramis, but still dwarf gouramis. Oh, little bumblebees. Bumblebee gobies. Balloon mollies. And more gouramis. Yeah. These are supposed to be golden honey dwarf gouramis, but they're just your normal honey dwarf gouramis. But nice fish anyway. Bumblebee gobies, they are cool little fish. So they prefer alkaline water, a little bit of salt to make them brackish. These guys are $6.60 each or 3 for 18. Balloon mollies. She's very, very pregnant. That is the black neons. They're not looking too bad either. A little bit small, but they're really healthy fish.